In this video, we're going to be replacing the air conditioner compressor on this Subaru Impreza. So let me go ahead and get started, but before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take the belt off, then we're going to take the cover off to expose the air conditioner compressor, as well as the wiring and the components that are in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that and show you exactly how I'm going to do that. There's a small little hole in there that will allow you to keep the tensioner in the loose position, and you can stick a Allen wrench or something in there, which is what we have now.
I know, I'll take that off.
There you go. Just leave it like that here. Now the reason we're leaving it there so we don't have to take a wild guess as to how to put a new belt on when we're done. We are going to change the belt as part of this. Alright, so this has been done before, but we need to pop these off if we can.
I've got that tool.
Yeah, it doesn't work on this one for some reason. Got that one off. Get that out of, hold that out of the way. Now this, we already loosened this up. This will actually swivel out of the way, and we'll keep this bolt in a safe place because the new compressor actually comes with all these brackets already in it. All right, so the next step now is going to be to remove the AC compressor. Let me go ahead and disconnect the hoses. If you're doing this on your own and you don't have the equipment, make sure you take it to a shop, have them evacuate the system, which we did. There was a little bit of pressure in there, and there's dye from one time that we needed to do a leak test. So set the hoses aside. That was 10 millimeter. I think now we can go into the 14 millimeter for the mounting bolts. There's one here, and one in the front on the bottom, right down there. Using a cheetah bar to break these open there, put on a pretty good amount of torque. I guess probably
I think you have to get it on there just.
Yeah. Yeah, just break it loose and.
Okay.
Different size bolts. So just to note, the bolt here and here are different sizes, so we're going to just lay them down in the same pattern that they came off.
The compressor should come out.
Did you see the bolt there?
Yeah.
All right, compressor is out. Installing is going to be the reverse steps of what we did to take it out.
Like this.
Yeah,
I think.
it does. You're correct, sir. Can you look the wire up? Let me get this in place.
You want me to get that one off, like by a few threads, maybe?
Get them snugged in.
Just to kind of hold it in place.
Yeah, here. Heck, why is it not?
It's not gonna. I think these front ones have to go on first. See, once you get the front one in, it lines everything up. Ish. Might have to jiggle it a little bit. Nah, that one's in.
All right, so let's get it torqued down. There's 4 bolts. So after doing some research, we're going to tighten the mounting bolts to 26.6 foot-pounds. And the hose bolts will be mounted to 7.4. We'll get to those in a moment. All right, so the compressor did come with fresh O-rings. I actually have a set of O-rings that I had bought at Subaru dealership just in case, but I don't think it hurts to have them. Let's do the high pressure side.
You want a napkin or something? Clean that off?
Yeah. I try to get the O-rings off on my hand because I don't want to put a steel pick on this. That can cause a leak. Plastic pick would be fine. And these get down, tightened down to 7.4 foot-pounds. So just let's just get them both on there and then. All right, let's get these torques. The torque spec is 7.4 foot-pounds. I'd rather do that in inch-pounds, so we got it set for 88.8 inch-pounds. All right, get this all snapped together, put the cover on, and we're getting close to being finished. Go ahead, B. All right, so one of the things that we're going to do is put a new belt on it. We might as well, being that we've taken it down this far. Personally, I think it's a good idea. That old belt looks a little worn anyway, so that's what we're going to do. Oh wait. Yeah, this
That
goes.
belt needs to go.
Yeah.
I think it's like that, and then I'm gonna bring it back down.
Everything looks lined up. Belt is on. Let's put the cover on. All right, so we've got the compressor in. Everything's torqued down to spec. We got a new belt on the vehicle while we were at it. So the next thing that needs to be done is to charge it with the refrigerant, 134A if I'm not mistaken. We'll do that in a separate video. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Now you know how we've done a compressor replacement. And if it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.